Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Some of my previous videos you may have seen. I've been having trouble with the wires on my my LS7 motor, and now I have got not all new coils, but all good coils in there. There was some arcing on the contact on one of the coils. And I'm going to put in some new wires, obviously, and I'm going to put some new plugs in too. So what I'd like to ask you is what you think of these plugs, and I'm going to try to light them up as best I can. Okay, so I am trying to light them up, and I've got them numbered. They look pretty okay to me. Number 3 seems to have a little bit of white here compared to the other ones, and I think that means something to some of you guys who know more about this than I do. There. That's about the best lighting I can get on it. Also notice these are original 41104 AC Delcos. The gap depends on what gauge I used. I use these 2 different gauges, so I don't know. Don't ask me why they wouldn't be the same, but maybe I'll get a 3rd gauge and then I'll have, I'll throw out the one that's the furthest off. Anyway, I'll get one of those wire gauges. So I'm going to put in these. These are a little bit hotter and a little bigger gap, which will mean a little bigger spark. And the coils should definitely provide a bigger spark. I'm not worried about that. The OEM coils are good coils as far as everybody that I have talked to. And I'll run these for 1,000 miles or so, and I'll take them out and have a look at them. I'm going to replace the bad wires with some MSD wires, cover them, and I might use those metal shields. Depends on how it looks when I put them on there. So NGKs. So let me know if you would please what you think about those 4 plugs. I'm only having time to do one side today. And give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.